Alright, what's up everyone? So today I made $755 trading Nasdaq before 10 a.m. Here. So I made it on Take Profit. So right now I only need maybe $650. I need around 650 to pass the account. So hopefully by Friday I have it passed. I only need one more trading day, so that's that. But on Top Step today, I took an L on Top Step, so that's gonna be that's gonna be for later. Like I said, I am focusing more on Take Profit for daily payouts, but because I bought a 50k Top Step account on the Combine, so I'm trading it on the side. But anyway, so today the 1-to-1 played out, so that's why I won on this account, but the 1-to-2 didn't play out, so I lost on Top Step. So let's get into the recap. Today we had news at 8:15. So we marked the session's highs and low. Then on the 4 hour, we look for any gap. Here, let me just adjust that. Right there we had a gap, and this was previous days, so we didn't mark it up. And we had a gap right there because this was down there at the time, so like that. Now on the 1 hours, I seen this, so I just mark it up. This we adjusted. This 4 hour gap we adjusted. Sorry. And this same thing, so right there. As we see this one, on the 1 hour we already have rejection, so this is great. And yeah, we go back on the 5 minute. We'll adjust the candle if needed. Now this we had bunch of candles in between, so I just left it like that. And that's what's nice about the strategy. Even if you, let's say this, right? This gap, as we can see, we got no wick rejection, no nothing, so I can just remove it later. So I'll show you guys later. This was the 1 hour, so I just left it like that. And this was the gap on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, so I'm gonna just remove it because we already have the session for Asia low, so this already has a line. So coming into market, we have no setups. 920 we break this line. Now careful guys, like I said, don't trade when it's below, like I said in the improvement, in the minor trading improvement, because let's say you took the trade right there, you would have been stopped out. So yeah, I didn't take a trade, I was just waiting for it to pull back up, which it did. 9:30 we got all this volume. Look guys, it moved it moved around like 800 like points up. So yeah, now we broke this, so I just removed this line, this gap, and from there I got my first there I got my first wick rejection for this gap, so I know it's valid. From there I entered short, and because of my consistency rule, I aimed for a 1-to-45. Yeah, right there. 1.45 multiplied by 500. Yeah, around 725. So, and then on Top Step, because I'm aiming for 1-to-2, it didn't give me 1-to-2, it just ended up stopping me out. So I didn't even have time to break even or nothing. Not that I would have, but it is what it is. Monday, Tuesday, we won, even though Monday I didn't I didn't have the improvement yet, so I lost. But technically Monday, Tuesday I won. And today, if I was aiming for a 1 to 2 on my real account, I would have lost. So far so good. We're still in profit on the week if I had my real account. Anyway, so that was the trade right there. And then as we can see, like I said, the first trade is everything, because if you look for any more trades, the odds of a trade happening is less likely for a good setup. So let's say you took this one right after 9:55. At 10 we exploded everything and you would have lost again. So just stick to one. Either you win, either you lose, and that's it for the day right there. And yeah, that's basically it for today. So hopefully tomorrow I get my eval passed, and hopefully I trade correctly so I can start getting payouts. And yeah, that's about it for this day. Clean day. It sucks we didn't get a retracement right there so I could enter, but oh well. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.